Hello everyone, welcome to another very cool video. Today we are showing you how to use Testimonial.to. Now Testimonial.to is great if you want to display testimonials with ease on your website. So yeah, let's get started. So basically we're here on the page of Testimonial.to. Now as you can see, they have some of the trusted customers like Microacquire, Yoast, Yoda. So they're pretty much a well-established business already. So first of all, what we can do is we can go to our account and we can go to our dashboard. Now here from the dashboard, what we can do is we can create a space. So when you're creating a space, you're essentially creating kind of like a company profile within Testimonials dashboard. So let's go create a new space here. And as you can see, this is basically going to be a website where you're going to request testimonials from your customers. So let's name this space Filler Digital because that is our company. Obviously, we can also add a logo if we want. So let's change the logo here. Okay, as you can see, I found a logo, so I can click on it and I can import the logo. So now I have the logo right here. On the left side, you can see how the page where you're requesting testimonials from your clients will look like. And as you can see, we can also change the header title if we want. For example, you can submit your testimonials on this page. And then you can write a warm message. Thank you for doing business with us, for example. Then you can obviously add questions, questions that you want. For example, here, these will be displayed here. Who are you? What are you working on? How was the product service helped you? And stuff like that. We can skip that, obviously. We can also collect extra information if we want. Obviously, we can do only video testimonials, which this will remove the button from the text testimonials. But I really like the option to do video and text at the same time. You can also choose the theme, black or white. I like the black more, so I'll just stick with black. Obviously, custom button color, as you can see right here, we can choose that as well, which is awesome. And then auto translate to other languages. If you have clients in other languages or that speak another language, you can select that. But we can create a new space here. And as you can see, we added our space successfully. We can now go to we can copy this, and as you can see, if we go to this page, this is how the page is going to look like. As you can see here, a client of ours can go and he or she can record a video testimonial or send in a text testimonial, and that will be submitted to our page. So let's close this and let's go here, and we can go to this cogwheel and we can manage our testimonials here. So as you can see, if we click manage our testimonials, we will be brought to this page where we can actually go, we can import testimonials, we can basically create a wall of love, which I will show you later on. We can also generate an image from testimonials as well. So first of all is importing testimonials to your account. How can you import testimonials? So actually you can go here and you can go to the option and click add a video. If you click add a video, you can upload your own video. So you can select a file, right? If you have a file maybe from a video testimonial that your client gave you already, or you can go here and you can add a text testimonial. So as you can see, text testimonial, you can select the image only if you want to select an image, or that could be potentially a tweet or something like that. Or you can go and you can write down a testimonial here. For example, doing business with you, your digital was amazing. And then we have attach an image, name, it could be John Smith for this sake of the tutorial. We can also upload the user's photo as well. And then we can click add it here. And as you can see, this will add our first testimonial right here, as you can see. And here we can go, we can edit it, we can download it, we can share it, right? We can also do the tags, stuff like that. And we can highlight the testimonial if you want. We can go to more and we can download testimonial log as well. So there are a lot of different things you can do while importing testimonials to your account. Obviously, you can also go add a video, and then we can add a video. We can also bulk import testimonials. If we click bulk import, we can just go here, select a CSV file, and then we can basically upload testimonials or import testimonials this way. So what you can also do is you can also go to other reviews here, and you can import from G2. So if you click here, what we can do here is we can basically put a name of our website. For this example, we will use this website right here, as you can see, chilipiper.com. So what you can do is you can just copy the name of the website, and you can go and you can paste that here and click search. Now, once you click search, as you can see, this is going to be the website, and we can fetch reviews from the first 2 pages or fetch all reviews. If we click fetch all reviews, we can click here, and that will pretty much fetch all the reviews from that particular website. Now, as you can see, obviously we'll need to just wait a little bit for this to take place. And as you can see, we can import 439 reviews to our, to our Testimonials.to dashboard. As you can see, we have a lot of testimonials here, and we can also add this to the wall of love, which I will show you later on how to use as well. So we can click import, as you can see, and now it's importing reviews one by one. So this is how easy it is to import G2 reviews to your website. As you can see, if we exit, it will continuously add new testimonials from G2 until it's completely done, right? So this is a very, very great way if you want to go and import or bulk import a lot of testimonials from your website. Now, while that is importing, what we can do is I can show you wall of love. As you can see, wall of love here, if you click on it, we can have an embed wall of love. What that is basically a wall of testimonials that you can embed on your website. So for example, I really like this one because it's fixed, but you can choose scrolling, you can choose carousel slider, you can choose fixed. I like it fixed, so I will click fixed. And then as you can see here, what we can do is we can actually copy this code, and we can basically paste that code onto our website, and it will basically give us a wall of love. We can also remove testimonial branding, we can have a dark theme, we can randomize the order on page, we can hide the date, we can also make it large, base, or small, and then we can copy the code. Obviously, there are more customization here, so we can click more customization, and as you can see here, we can also add shadows, backgrounds, for example, this one, as you can see, like this one, like this, maybe like this. We can also add a text to be, maybe, link colors to be green, text color to be, however you want. So you have a lot of customization options here, which is really powerful. So how can you actually use the wall of love? How can you actually customize it? So let me show you that as well. So if we scroll down here, we can see wall of love page. If we click on that, we can see right here that this is our page of our company. And as you can see, the testimonials are still being added because I added 400 testimonials from that page that I just showed you. So as you can see, it's completely being added. And this is basically how the wall of love will look like. Obviously, you can go here, you can add a cover. You can also do the settings, and then you can choose the image, have the name, have the logo redirect URL, hero title, call to action button as well. And you can also add new links as well. Obviously, more customization, this is what I just showed you previously, but basically every single testimonial that you upload to your company right here is going to be shown on the wall of love. That is basically how wall of love works. And then, wherever you want to go and whenever you want to share the wall of love, you just click wall of love, and then, you obviously click which one you want, and then you just copy the code and you can paste it onto the website. It's that easy, guys. Now, as you can see, it's imported successfully right here, you can see. So all of our reviews are currently imported. Now, what we can also do is we can also create an image from a testimonial. As you can see, this is a text testimonial that I just uploaded. And as you can see, I can go to share, and then I can create an image from that testimonial. So let's click that. And as you can see right here, I can basically, customize this, which is awesome. So I can go dark theme, gradient, solid color. If I want solid color, I can do it like that. I can have border radius medium, large, or none. I can have a shadow size, which is medium, again, large, or I can do it, ratio, Twitter ratio, LinkedIn ratio, right? And then I can go and I can download the PNG. And as you can see, if I download the PNG, this is how it's going to look like right here. Super cool, super easy to do. Obviously, this is how you can go and generate an image from testimonial. Now let me go just back and let me show you how to use Wall of Love on your website. So you can go here on Wall of Love page, obviously to see your page, but what we want to do is we want to go here with embeds and metrics. So let's click Wall of Love, and here we can click again on fixed, and we can go here and we can copy this code. Now once we copy this code, we'll put this right here in the HTML tab, as you can see right here. And basically here we will get a result. So let's just go here, and then what we can do is we can click run. And as you can see, we will get the result on how this is going to look like on our website. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like on our website. Now, obviously, we can change this a lot. So when it comes to customizations, we can go back here, more customization, and we can go here and change the customizations however we want. We can go medium, large, we can go with the background, for example, this one, right? And then we can go here, and once that is done, we can basically go here and copy again. And then we can paste it here to our website, and we can run it again. And that is basically, as you can see, how it's going to change our testimonial background behind it. Obviously, you can change this as well because this is a white text. So we actually need to go here, and we can go to our text, and we can change this to black. If we change this to black, and if we go here, and if we again click copy, if we go here and if we run, then as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to look like really awesome. So you can basically copy and paste that code and then see how it's looking like. And then based on that, you can change here and customize your Wall of Love. So that's basically how easy it is to display testimonials on a website. Now let me show you how you can play around with integrations with this tool as well. So as you can see, we can go here and we can scroll to integrations. And basically integrations are just a way to import your testimonials from your social media, maybe external videos or other reviews. For example, let's say you have testimonials on social media. We can go here, social media, we can import from Twitter, and as you can see, we can actually paste a tweet URL. So let me just find a tweet URL to show you how this actually looks like. So as you can see, I will go here and I will copy this tweet right here from my Twitter, and I'll basically go to testimonial and I'll paste it right here. So I'll click add, and I can also add this to my Wall of Love if I want. Or for this video, I will just not add it because I want other testimonials to be on that Wall of Love. So click add. And then once we add this, you will see how easy it is to add a tweet as well. As you can see right here is the tweet. We can go here, we can delete it. We can also go and we can add it to our other testimonials. We can also go to LinkedIn, Instagram as well, and it's pretty much the same thing. If we click on Instagram, we just paste the Instagram link from our testimonial and we'll import it right here. Now you have other integrations as well, which is external videos. You can import from YouTube. If we click on YouTube again, you can import, just paste this part of the link, and then you can also add it to the Wall of Love. You have other reviews as well, which I already showed you: G2, Google, Capterra, Yelp, Product Hunt, AppSumo, Amazon. You also have automations. So if you want to you can do automations as well. You can connect Zapier or testimonial with Zapier, and then you can basically create automations based on that. For example, send Slack channel messages for new video testimonials in Testimonial app, right? And you have a lot of different things that you can do with Testimonial.to. Now you have a lot of different things that you can do with Testimonial.to. I showed you one of the most powerful things that you can do with Testimonial.to. Obviously, if you want to check it out, definitely go down below in the description, click the first link and check it out. You get a free trial, and anyone who signs up will get a free trial, and you can try it out for your own business. It's great for agency owners, for e-commerce businesses, any type of online business really. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. This was a really great video, really informational. So if you want more videos like this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.